Kenya and Zambia, as you have said, come a long way in terms of our relationship as countries. I believe our founding fathers got to know each other even before independence and worked together to liberate our both countries and other countries on the continent. So it's a long relationship.
We see Zambia as a strategic and a vital trading partner, but also an investment partner for Kenya in several areas. Trade and investment will remain one of the strongest pillars of our bilateral relations, and I believe it is imperative that we commit to putting in place mechanisms that will enhance the ease of trading, that will promote investment between our two countries, and that will tap on the existing potential that exists in our respective countries for the mutual benefit of our two peoples.